Now viewers, ahead of the meeting that is to take place at the residence of Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal, before the results are out for the Delhi Assembly elections, AAP leaders have reached his residence and the meeting is about to start. AAP huddle before the election results are out. 70 MLAs have reached the residence of Arvind Kejriwal. Shubh Rana, my colleague, is there with me on the broadcast. Shubh, take us through the details if at all Aam Aadmi Party leaders have reached the residence of right now, in fact, Arvind Kejriwal's residence where meeting is scheduled.
Absolutely, yes, Simran. A meeting has been called by Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, and he has said that all the 70 candidates need to reach his residence. And today, 11:30 was the time when Arvind Kejriwal has called up all the MLAs who are contesting from all the Vidhan Sabha seats, and all the MLAs have reached Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Also, Arvind Kejriwal has been in touch with all the MLAs, and what we are tracking at this point of time is that, Arvind Kejriwal will talk about the horse trading claims which he has said, and our minister, who was minister in previous government, that is Mukesh Ahlawat, have said that he have received a call from Bharatiya Janata Party that to shake hands with BJP, and they are ready to bribe him with 15 crores of rupees. Although the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva have said that if there is no proof for this allegation, then they'll file a legal notice to the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal. And today, all the MLAs are in the CM's house, in the former CM house, Arvind Kejriwal. And one thing is very sure that Arvind Kejriwal have been alleging that the BJP has been trying to horse trade its MLAs before the result has been out, and Arvind Kejriwal has been saying that it shows that AAP is going to form the government. But Simran, tomorrow is the date when the result will come out. But this is a big allegation by Arvind Kejriwal, as he is trying to say that before the election, before the results of the elections are out, Bharatiya Janata Party is indulged in all the malpractices which is being handled in the national capital. He is back to you.
All right, Shubh. Thank you very much for sharing these details and giving us more information.